Hi friends, I am Ranganath Pavagada. Welcome to my video article relating to calculation of distance of line of division and distance of cutting points in the partition of land of irregular shape with 100% accuracy and without using any computer app. This video is a continuation of my previous video in which I derived some useful formula relating to partition of land of irregular shape. Now, I will discuss the application of those formulas taking a specific example. Generally, to smaller or greater extents, most of the lands are of irregular shape. One of the common types of irregular shape is quadrilateral. Suppose you are given a land of shape of quadrilateral ACDB as shown in the blackboard. In this, the length of the one side, now I call it as a baseline, is given, say, 162.3 meter. The two included angles between the baseline and the two diverging sides are also given, say, theta A is equal to 96 degree and theta B is equal to 113 degree. The lengths of the remaining sides may or may not be given. Let the total area of this land be 3 acre and 15 gunta. Now suppose you are asked to make partition or subdivision in this land among 3 partners unequally, such as 1 acre 7 gunta for first partner and 1 acre 5 gunta for second partner and 1 acre 3 gunta for third partner. How do you do it? For this, one had to find the exact position of line of division cutting the respective area. Now coming to the subdivisions, here 2 kinds of subdivisions or partitions are possible. One is vertical subdivision or vertical partition and the other is horizontal subdivision. Here I consider only vertical partition. Again in vertical partition, 2 types arises. One is parallel partition and the other is non-parallel partition. parallel partition is one in which the line of division is parallel to base line. If it is not so, then it is non-parallel partition. So in this video, I will discuss only parallel partition. Suppose EG is the line of division for the first partition and HI is the line of division for the second partition. Let the perpendicular distance of EG, the first line of division, from the baseline be x. Now you draw two perpendiculars, one AP and the other BQ on the line EG. It is clear, since AB and EG are parallel to one another, AP and BQ are equal and equal to x. Next, AP and BQ are again parallel to one another. Therefore, the length AB is equal to length PQ. Or in other words, PQ, the length of the PQ is equal to AB. Hence, this is equal to L, that is 162.3 meter. Next, the two perpendiculars divide the partition area into two right angles and one rectangle. Let us call this acute angle AE as theta 1 and opposite side EP as H1. Similarly, in the lower right angle triangle, let the acute angle QBG be theta 2 and the opposite side QG be H2. Now, we require x. To find x is not easy. This is because the width of the quadrilateral is not an uniform, but it increases as we move away from the baseline inside. However, to overcome this difficulty, I myself independently derived a set of some formulae which are used to solve this problem. Before finding the x, it is necessary to find theta 1 and theta 2 first. So, theta 1, here, since AP is a perpendicular, this is theta A minus 90 degree, that is equal to 96 minus 90, that is equal to 6 degree. That is theta 1 is 6 degree. Similarly, theta 2, Since BQ is perpendicular, this is theta B minus 90 degree, that is 130 degree minus 90 degree, that is equal to 23 degree. The theta 2 is 23 degree. Next, let us take it as first part. Now let us find x or calculate x. That is to calculate x. That is perpendicular distance of the first line of division from baseline. So what is the formula for x? From my previous video, we can write the formula for the x as minus b plus square root of b square plus 4c by 2, where the parameter b is equal to L by K. Here L is the base length and K is a sub-parameter or a constant for this given length, and C is equal to partition area A1 by K, and K is equal to tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 divided by 2. So it is clear. To find x, one must know the value of b and c. To find b and c, one must find the value of the k. So let us find the k first. So the k is equal to tan 6 degree, and substituting for theta 1, and tan 23 degree, substituting for theta 2, and dividing it by 2. So on simplification, up to the accuracy of the third decimal place, one get k is equal to 0.264. So after finding k, let us find b. So b is equal to L by k. L is the length of the baseline, that is here 162.3 divided by the k value is 0.264. So on dividing one by the other, so we get the value of b up to the third decimal place, that is 614.772. So the next step is to find C, is it? So C is equal to first partition area A1 by K. Here A1 is 1 acre plus 7 gunta. Is it? So 1 acre means 40 gunta. 1 acre contains 40 guntas, or 1 acre is equal to 40 gunta, where gunta is the unit of area of land. It is a traditional unit. So this is 40 gunta plus 7 gunta. So totally 47 gunta. So let us express the gunta in square meter. That is SI system. So 1 gunta is an area. 1 gunta is an area of a square of side 10 meter. So 1 gunta is equal to 10 meter into 10 meter. That is 1 gunta is equal to 100 square meter. So our parameter C becomes now 47 gunta, 1 gunta is 100 meter square, that is 4700 square meter divided by K, the value of K is 264. So on simplifying this, one gets the value up to the third decimal place, that is 17,803.030. Having found BC, let us substitute these values in the concerned formula. On substituting, one gets B in place of B, 614.772 plus square root of B square means 614.772 square plus 4 into C, 17,803.030 divided by 2. Simplifying all these things, one gets the value of X to be 27.709 meter. Look at this. Here 27.709 meter is the distance of location of the line of division for the first partition. So this is equal to 27.709 meter. So the next step is, let us find the length of the line of division, that is EG. It is clear here, EG is the sum of H1, L and H2. Now we are required to find H1 and H2. So our next part is, that is our second part is to find H1 and H2 and hence EG. So what is the formula for H1 then? Again from our previous video, we can write H1 as X tan theta 1. Of course, X is 27.709 into tan 60 degree. Theta 1 is 60 degree. So on simplification, after the third decimal place, one gets H1 to be 2.912 meters. Similarly, H2 is equal to X tan theta 2. So I am substituting, that X is 27.709 into tan theta 2 means 23 degree. So on simplification, one gets H2 to be equal to 11.762 meter up to 3 decimal place. So this is the H2 value. The next is the length of the line of division EG is equal to H1 plus L plus H2. So you just substitute H1 is 2.912, L is of course 162.3 and H2 is 11.762. On summing all these three quantities, one gets EG is equal to the 176.974 meter. So the entire length of this is 176.974 meter. So after finding the length of the line of division, the next important step is to find the distance of cutting points E and G from A and B respectively. That is to find AE and BG. So the next step is, that is third part, to find distance of cutting points, that is AE and BG. Again, what is the formula for the distance of cutting point at AE? Again, from the previous video, one can write AC is equal to X divided by cos theta 1. X is of course, this is 27.709 and this is cos 6 degree. So your AE is equal to, on simplification, up to the third decimal place. So one can find this AE to be equal to 27.861 meter. So your AE is equal to 27.861 meter. Next is BG. So similarly, BG is equal to X by cos theta 2, that is equal to 27.709 by cos 23 degree. So your BG on simplification will give 30.102 meter. So that is AG is equal to 30.102 meter. So it is clear, using these formula, one can accurately find the distance of line of division and distance of cutting points and the length of all the sides of the boundary line. Here no need to use computer app to find the location of line of division or the cutting points. So the next is the partition of second part, that is 1 acre 5 gunta. For this, EG must be taken as baseline. And HI is the line of division, as already said, for the second partition. Now you draw two perpendiculars, one here and other GS respectively on HI. Here AP and ER are parallel to one another. Hence, corresponding angles must be equal. Therefore, the angle HER is equal to theta 1. Similarly, in the lower side, BQ and GS are parallel to one another. Hence, corresponding angles must be equal. Hence, the angle SGI is equal to theta 2. Repeating the same procedure and applying the same formula as in the first partition to the second partition, one gets the following values for different lengths, for the lengths of the different sides, as well as the distance of line of division, like this. Here, distance of line of division from the baseline EG will be found to be equal to 24.529 meter. That is, the second line of division is situated at a distance of 24.529 meter. This comes after the calculations. Similarly, the length of the division line for second partition will found to be 189.964 meter. And distance of first cutting point will be 24.664 meter. Similarly, the distance of the lower cutting point from G, that is GI, on calculation will be found to be 26.647 meters. So thus, we can make second partition also. After making first and second partition, the rest of the area or the remaining area automatically 1 acre 3 gunta. I hope these formulae are much useful for land surveyors and civil engineers in partition of land of irregular shape such as quadrilateral. Thank you for watching my video patiently. If there are any comments, likes, even dislikes, they are cordially invited. Please subscribe it, share it. Thank you once again for watching the video.